Welcome to Xiaomi UAE's online launch. My name is Sadaf Mazhar and I'm the marketing manager for Xiaomi UAE. In the light of this recent pandemic, keeping in mind the health and safety of our Mi fans, partners, team members, we have decided to keep the launch event online. We urge everyone to stay safe and stay strong. We are all in this together. Today, we have a couple of amazing smartphones to showcase, and I'm really excited to dive right in. Let's get started. Redmi Note series brings some of the most incredible mid-range smartphones in the market. There are over 110 million Redmi Notes chosen across the globe. And according to Canalys, Redmi Note 8 series ranked among the global top 10 smartphones in Q4 last year. This really shows how much it's loved and well received by fans from all over the world. Speaking of fans, we asked them to describe their Redmi Note in one word. Lots of interesting words came up. Quality, reliable, the best in series are some of the words that stood out. Our Mi fan Jonathan from Malawi described it best. His one word, everything. Redmi Note series is indeed the best of everything. And the legend continues as we bring yet another incredible series. A couple of weeks ago, we introduced the Redmi Note 9S, a phone that gives you the power to win. While our users are loving this product, we have also had other fans asking, "Where's the Pro?" And we hear you. So today, let's welcome the Redmi Note 9 Pro. Redmi Note 9 Pro brings the ultimate flagship level experience to the mid-range segment. Let's start with the flagship level design. One word to describe Redmi Note 9 Pro's design: cool, super cool. Here's a first look at the all-new design. At first glance, we see a gorgeous two-tone color, glossy on top and a darker shade with a touch of diagonal stripes at bottom. Super cool, isn't it? Redmi Note 9 Pro also features a stunning symmetrical design that beautifully curves to the edges, giving a balanced look and feel. Redmi Note 9 Pro comes in 3 amazing colors. This super cool eye-catching two-tone tropical green, pearl-like shine with glacier white, not your typical kind of grey, interstellar grey. Here are the 3 cool colors of the Redmi Note 9 Pro. Now, let's take a look at the front. First thing you'll notice is the notch is gone, and it comes with a 6.67-inch dot display and a taller 20.9 aspect ratio. This means less obstructions and more immersive cinematic viewing experience. And as we spend more and more time on our screens, we ensure that Redmi Note 9 Pro is easy on the eyes. And it's certified by Germany's TÜV Rheinland for low blue light protection. Redmi Note 9 Pro is as functional as it is good looking. It's protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5, both front and back. So it survives everyday wear and tear, scratches and drops. Redmi Note 9 Pro adapts a slide-mounted fingerprint sensor. The power button and fingerprint sensor are integrated into one. So it's strategically positioned where your hand sits naturally. Unlocking is something we do more than 100 times a day. So we wanted to ensure the best possible experience. And Redmi Note 9 Pro unlocks in a snap. So here's the flagship level design of the Redmi Note 9 Pro. In front, you get a 6.67-inch cinematic dot display. At the back, stylish symmetrical design with super cool colors, notably the two-tone tropical green. And unlocking is fast and snappy with the side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Let's watch this video. aspect of this phone is the flagship level cameras. It helps us create and capture everyday moments. Redmi Note 9 Pro is the 64MP Quad Camera Pro. It comprises of a 64MP main camera, ultra wide angle, macro, and depth sensor for portraits. Let's dive into each camera starting with the highlight of the four. Flagship level 64MP camera. Redmi Note 9 Pro has a massive sensor allowing you to capture phenomenal photos with ultra clear details. Let's see it right in action. With the 64MP, each part of the photo is crisp enough to cut. You get multiple stories in one photo, which is pretty awesome. The 64MP camera perfectly captures this breathtaking scene. No matter near or far, each subject is captured with utmost clarity. No matter what time of the day, you get great shots with the Redmi Note 9 Pro. Even at night, the windows on the building are lit up just right. With the 64MP, you can even print billboard level photos up to 3.26 meter. Moving on to the ultra wide angle. Ultra wide angle lets you see the wider picture, so we can capture the full view anytime, anywhere. Next up, portraits. Our fans and users love taking portraits. Here's a snap taking with the Redmi Note 9 Pro. Great bouquet, crisp subject, even down to her eyelashes. We didn't stop with great portraits. We are also bringing cinematic portraits. With this feature, you get the widescreen look with black bars on the top and bottom, and even adjust the bokeh in real time. This photo looks amazing, like it's taken out of a real movie scene. Make sure that you try it out. That's cinematic portraits. Next up, macro mode. With the 5MP macro, you can capture tiny details you would have otherwise missed, like this one. Guess what this is? It's actually bubbles inside a bottle of a carbonated drink. One more. Gorgeous macro shot on the Redmi Note 9 Pro. Can you guess what this is? A broccoli. This is truly an interesting shot that brings out the best of your creativity. Here's Redmi Note 9 Pro's 64MP quad camera giving you a camera for any situation. Redmi Note 9 Pro isn't complete without features for the pros. Let's start with Pro Photos. Now you can shoot in RAW. So you get more flexibility in post-editing, and you're totally in control of your awesome shots. Next up, Pro Videos. Redmi Note 9 Pro comes with a dedicated Pro Video mode, giving you full control when creating content. With a smooth video zoom, simply tap the slider and drag to zoom in or out of the subject while recording the video. This lets you easily highlight the most important part of the scene and add a little drama to your video. Most of the pros want more control over their settings. Two important aspects are focus and exposure. With the auto exposure and autofocus lock, you're able to set the focal point and exposure manually. This is especially handy in challenging conditions. Now for my favorite, 4K Movie Frame. It lets you create 4K cinema style videos right from your smartphone, just like a pro. Let's watch this. With Pro Video Mode features, pros get more flexibility and control while shooting. Well, how about for those who want cool but easy to navigate features? We've got you covered. Kaleidoscope. Shoot quirky, eye-catching standout videos in an instant. Get 6 different options to choose from. Even add background music afterwards. Let's see it in action. Kaleidoscope is available both on the rear and front camera. Now speaking of the front camera, we have packed a 16MP in-display front camera for gorgeous selfies, especially for moments like these. And selfies just got better with slow motion selfies. Let's watch this. Here is Redmi Note 9 Pro's flagship level camera. 64MP ultra clear shots, plus ultra wide angle, macro and portraits. Definitely a camera for every situation. Get full control of your settings with Pro Photos and Pro Video modes. And a dose of creativity with the all new features like cinematic portraits, 4K movie frame, kaleidoscope, slow motion selfies. This is definitely Redmi Note series' best camera ever. Flagship level design, flagship level camera. What's next? Of course, flagship level performance. For the first time ever, we are bringing the Snapdragon 700 series to the Redmi Note series. Redmi Note 9 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 720G, and it's built on 8nm process technology for better thermal efficiency. It also supports selected elite gaming features for an even more immersive gaming experience. Compared to the previous generation, we see tremendous upgrade in almost all aspects, notably CPU performance and AI performance. A 2x2 MIMO Wi-Fi is also included for better signal and Wi-Fi coverage. Redmi Notes have always been known for their legendary battery life. And the legend continues with the Redmi Note 9 Pro. This time we are bringing not just a flagship level battery, but also flagship level charging. Redmi Note 9 Pro comes in a huge 5020 mAh battery that will easily last for more than just 2 days of use. And this time we are bringing Redmi Note's fastest charging ever. 30-watt fast charging. 30-watt fast charging lets you charge from 0 to 50% in only 30 minutes. We are also including the 33-watt fast charger in box. Redmi Note 9 Pro truly stands out with its flagship level battery and charging. And compared to flagship level devices in the market, we see that Redmi Note 9 Pro stands out with its huge battery plus a 33-watt fast charger in box. Here's a quick recap of the Redmi Note 9 Pro's flagship level performance. Snapdragon 720G with 5th generation AI engine and elite gaming. Flagship level 5020 mAh battery and 30-watt fast charging. At Xiaomi, we take pride in giving the best experience possible, so we focus on small details. Redmi Note 9 Pro comes with a pre-installed screen protector, so you don't need to get one separately. Redmi Note 9 Pro equals flagship level experience. Awesome haptic feedback, louder and better audio experience, headphone jacks, IR blaster, and pre-installed screen protector. Redmi Note 9 Pro truly offering flagship level experience that matters to our users. Awesome design, bigger display, pro camera features, flagship level battery and charging. Now for the price. Before that, let's take one more look at the flagship level phone you need. Redmi Note 9 Pro ticks all the boxes for great features you want in a phone. For the 6 plus 64 variant, the price is AED 1099. Amazing product at honest prices is what we strive to deliver. And for the 6 plus 128 variant, the price is AED 1199. How are we feeling about that? I'm sure you are super excited to get this phone. Redmi Note 9 Pro undoubtedly offers the ultimate flagship level experience. So here it is in summary. The 64MP Quad Camera Pro. Redmi Note 9 Pro gives the ultimate flagship level experience with 64MP quad camera, 5020 mAh battery and 30-watt fast charge support. Powerful Snapdragon 720G, 6.67-inch dot display and so many more features to love. If you're looking for a pro experience, go with the Redmi Note 9 Pro. You've seen the 9 Pro and a couple of weeks ago the 9S. Now there's one member of the family that's still missing. Redmi Note 9. Redmi Note 9 is the best-in-class mid-range hotshot. It's for those who want an incredible everyday smartphone with great camera, great battery and great performance. Hotshot design. Let's start. Redmi Note 9 comes with a 6.53-inch dot display. It has a small dot display, so nothing comes in the way while you're playing games. To sum it up, Redmi Note 9 has an awesome 6.53-inch dot display, and it's also certified by TUV Rainland for low blue light certification. At the back, it comes with a sleek and stylish symmetrical design and a rear fingerprint sensor that seamlessly blends into the back design. Redmi Note 9 comes in 3 colors. Forest green, which features the unique glossy finish. Polar white, minimalistic and simple. And classic midnight gray. Here are the 3 colors: forest green, polar white, and midnight gray. Redmi Note 9 definitely has a hotshot design. Here are 3 reasons why. 6.53-inch dot display, attractive colors, and built to last. Next up, hotshot camera. Redmi Note 9 is the 48MP quad camera hotshot. We have 48MP main camera, ultra wide angle, macro, and depth sensor. The 48MP main camera shoots ultra clear photos during the day or even at night. Each neon sign are easily readable and not overexposed. Next, see the bigger picture with ultra wide angle camera. Ultra wide angle shot on Redmi Note 9. Absolutely astounding, and you're able to see the full view. Next up, depth sensor for great portraits. The edge detection is absolutely phenomenal, and the bokeh is flawless and smooth. Capture the details that matter with macro mode. Here you see the details are preserved even at such a close range. Effortlessly capture your hot shots with Redmi Note 9. Redmi Note 9 includes a document scanner that serves as a handy pocket scanner. At times when taking photos of books or documents, a shadow is cast on the photo, which is irritating. The document scanner solves this problem and automatically removes the shadow and optimizes the image. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3, and you're done. In front, Redmi Note 9 comes with a 13MP in-display front camera for hotshot selfies. Redmi Note 9 is your hotshot camera phone, and here are 3 reasons why. Get a 48 megapixel high-res camera, quad camera for any situation, and 13MP selfie cam. You also get similar features like the Redmi Note 9 Pro, such as cinematic portraits, movie frame, and kaleidoscope. Next up, hotshot performance. Redmi Note 9 is the first phone to be powered by Helio G85, and it's made for everyday mobile gamers. It comprises of 2 performance-driven cores up to 2 GHz and 6 power efficiency cores, so your phone is always ready. Redmi Note 9 comes with a huge 5020 mAh battery that will easily last for up to more than 2 days. Some people like to describe this as an insane battery life. You get up to 11 hours of gaming, 17 hours of video playback, 7 hours of video recording. Truly a battery powerhouse. And to top it off, Redmi Note 9 supports up to 18 watts fast charging. And a fast charger is included in the box. Essential features such as headphone jack, splash-proof nano coating, 2+1 SIM slots, and IR blaster are included in the Redmi Note 9. Redmi Note 9 gives a hotshot experience. And here are 3 reasons why. Awesome performance with the Helio G85, long-lasting battery life, and fan favorite features like headphone jack. If you want a phone that gets the job done, go with the 48MP quad camera hotshot. Hotshot dot display and symmetrical design. Hotshot performance with the Helio G85. Hotshot battery and charging. Redmi Note 9 is the hotshot for you. Next up, price. Hotshot design, hotshot camera, hotshot experience. Definitely, price is also hotshot. For the 3+32GB variant, the price is $87.49. A hotshot phone with such great value. And for the 4+128 variant, the price is $87.99. Xiaomi did it again, providing our fans with only amazing products at honest prices. So here it is in summary. Redmi Note 9 48MP quad camera hotshot, 5020 mAh high capacity battery, 18 watt fast charging, 6.53-inch dot display, high performance Helio G85. Redmi Note 9 and Redmi Note 9 Pro now available at all official retail channels. Once more, here it is side by side. I'm sure there is a Redmi Note 9 series phone just for you. Redmi Note 9 48MP quad camera hotshot, Redmi Note 9 Pro 64 quad camera Pro, and the Redmi Note 9S power to win. We are not done with notes today. There is one more noteworthy product that we'll be launching. Now just last November, we launched Mi Note 10, the world's first 108 megapixel penta camera, and it was phenomenal. We have gotten a lot of applause from both media and fans, and the positivity means the world to us. We really wanted to showcase the great camera performance of the Mi Note 10, so we partnered with global brands who shared our vision. GSM Marina said, Xiaomi has managed to secure a win by being the first to market a phone with massive 108 megapixel camera. Check it out. This super chic photo was actually shot on Mi Note 10's 108 megapixel camera, and it shows it in the millions of tiny details. This is in collaboration with Elle, a leading fashion magazine in Russia. Mi Note 10's camera is epic without doubt. But what's more, many people, basically everyone that we talk with, has let us know how much they love the design, hand feel, and epic battery life. But it's always been our goal to make those innovations, that epic design, camera, battery life, accessible to as many people as possible. So today, we are going to be introducing a new Mi Note 10 family member. Mi Note 10 Lite. This remarkable device is made for those who want high-efficient, practical phone for both work and play. Those who understand the essentials, but also want to do more at work and do more in life. So, we mentioned the predecessor's incredible design, so let's take it from there. Mi Note 10 Lite comes with the same 3D curved ARC AMOLED display as Mi Note 10. It provides a virtually bezel-less look from edge to edge. Because we used an AMOLED panel, Mi Note 10 Lite comes with always-on display support. giving you a quick look at the time, date, or a little daily motivation at a glance. And now,